If you have multiple business profiles and you want to post on all the profiles on the same go without spending much time, then this can be done very easily via GBPGM app. Let's see how. For that, first you have to install the GBPGM app. As you can see here, when you install, you have to add the profiles to this GBPGM app. For that, you need a premium version. Once you add those profiles, you have to click on create group and name the group, and after naming the group you have to select that particular group. Once you select this group, a checkbox will appear against all the groups you have added. You have to select those two groups or more which you are actually planning to schedule post on the same time. Like I'll select these two groups.